In a world of digitalisation and automation, I've travelled to Brown and Holmes today to find out what solutions they offer in this field and look into some of the applications and the special projects that they use the Techman Robot for. Mark, the Techman Robot, is it proving to be successful?
Yes. With it being capable of a cobot application, it can work very well in different areas of industry, and it's safe to use in a cobot application. It can also be used in a robot application with all the right safeguarding. The type of applications that we tend to use it for is machine tending because of our historic business with fixtures, work holding and material handling. So it does suit very well to machine tending.
Have you seen an increase in demand for automation?
Very much so, yes. There's a lot more inquiries coming forward where customers are very much aware of either trying to refine a process to minimise spindle downtime or to take away manpower from a process. And cobots and robots are a big advantage to that situation, especially sort of like say machine tending, when you can have an application running lights out, which is absolutely ideal for larger volumes.
I think it's definitely a necessity now to kind of automate to stay competitive, 100%.
Yes.
There's so many robots and cobots, industrial robots out in the marketplace. So what makes the Techman so special?
One of the key features with the Techman is the vision system, which comes as standard. The vision system gives the cobot the capability of visualizing where components are. So, for example, a component doesn't have to be presented in a linear fashion or at a specific XYZ position. You could have a bundle of parts on a table, and it can use the camera system to visualize the position, adjust the program and pick up from that position. It also has the capability of identifying colours as well, so if you want to sort of split batches of components based on the colours. It also has barcode reading capabilities on the unit as well.
So it's quite an intelligent cobot for sure.
Yeah, definitely. It does stand above the rest in that sense with the built-in vision system.
So what different sizes do they come in?
Okay, so what we have behind us is the TM5. That's got a 5 kilogram load capacity, and that comes in two reach ranges, 500 and 700. Then there's two larger robots, the TM12 and the TM14. The 12 designates 12 kilograms, the 14 designates 14 kilograms. The TM12 has a reach of 1300 millimeters and the TM14 has a range of 1100 millimeters.
I mean, I can see the synergy and where this product fits in at Brown and Holmes with all the bespoke products that you manufacture and sell from a work holding perspective. Can you give our audience any examples of applications where you've put the robot in the field with some of your bespoke solutions?
Yes, we always see a robot or a cobot as part of a solution. We're not tending to sell robots and cobots in a box to a customer. We see a requirement for sort of process development, generally automation. So a good example was a robot tending application where we was feeding two 5-axis machines with a Techman robot hanging down from a gantry and moving between the two machine tools, picking and placing components in for manufacture so that they could do lights out manufacture.
And was that project managed from Brown and Holmes?
Yes, completely. So all of the hardware, all of the integration, so we designed and manufactured a large overhead gantry that would move the robot from machine A to machine B, while being able to pick and place components from the drawers and so on. And all aspects of that was designed and manufactured by Brown and Holmes, and integrated as well, to ensure that the safe and capable operation, meeting all the specifications of the customer, etc., etc. So, quite a nice project.
So it's safe to say, really, and to just summarise and wrap up, but it's safe to say that you supply standard automation, but also specialised automation projects, and you can supply this to your clients.
Very much so, yeah. I think that with the background that Brown and Holmes has got, and the reputation that Brown and Holmes has got for their automatic fixtures, but even manual fixtures that need to be robot loaded into a machine tool, we've got the experience for end effectors, for integration, for fixturing, for process development. We've got a lot of history and experience within Brown and Holmes, and we can fill all the gaps that maybe other suppliers cannot, because we know what we're looking at, what we need with regards to end effectors, part presentation and integration.